Hello loves, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos, and don't forget to turn on notification bell. This will enable you get notified whenever I upload a new video. In today's video, I'm super excited to share with you on how to make delicious Nigerian party fried beef. If you want to know how I came up with this recipe, continue watching as I share. The first ingredient I have here is beef, cow meat. I've washed it, and make sure you wash it with salt. I've put it in the pot, and I'll be adding chopped onions, fresh grated ginger and garlic, thyme, turmeric powder, curry powder, dry Cameroon pepper, grounded, so you guys can see. So this is chicken stock, Benny chicken stock. I'm adding a little, so depending on the quantity of meat you have, and I'm adding seasoning cube, and salt. So I'll be mixing everything together, so make sure you mix very well. And I'll marinate for 1 hour. So this is it after 1 hour. So I'll be applying heat. This is it. I didn't add water, so take note. So this water is enough to cook the meat till tender. And we're going to cook it until the water in the meat is almost dried. So as you guys can see, I'm taking out the meat. I've heated up the oil and I'm frying. Remember, we are making Nigerian party fried beef. Guys, this was so tasty. So we'll be frying the beef dry. So I think it's okay this way. Hope you guys are seeing the color. Isn't this appetizing? And it's time to take it out and transfer to a paper towel to drain excess oil. Yum 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 yum. Guys, this is it. So here I have pepper and onion for garnishing. Oh wow, guys, this is it. It's ready. This is a delicious and tasty Nigerian fried beef, party fried beef. Hope you loved and enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe. See you in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye bye. Love ya.